In this lesson, we are going to take a look at a couple of object snaps that actually make use of the tracking function. So let's take a look at a possible scenario. I have a line drawn at some angle, and what I would like to do is locate a point out here in space that is 2 inches from the endpoint of this line and travels at the same angle. For that, I can use the extension object snap. So I'll begin a command such as line, and then I'm going to use it as an override, so I'm going to shift right click, then choose extension. Now I can hover over the endpoint to acquire it, and as you can see, I can track off of that same angle. I can even track into the line if I want. So if I wish to come 2 inches up and to the right, then I can simply type 2, then press enter. We can also extend off the endpoint of an arc. So once more, I will shift right click and choose extension, acquire this point, and as you can see, I can track along the path of the arc. Let's next take a look at the parallel object snap. The parallel object snap is a little different because you have to have your first point placed before you can use it. So let's say I want to create another line parallel to this angled line that already exists. I'll begin by starting a point in space. Next, I'm going to do this as an override, so I will shift right click, then choose parallel. Now most of the object snaps, you're going to click on the object you want to snap to. With the parallel, I'm going to track off of it. So I'm going to hold my mouse over the line I wish to be parallel to. I can see the parallel auto snap marker, and also a point was acquired. So once again, take note that I didn't click on the line, I just hovered over it to acquire it. Now I will move my line up to where it would be parallel, and I'll see it lock on to the parallel tracking angle. Then I can simply type in a value or click a point to create a parallel line. So let's see that one more time. I start the line, pick a point, shift right click, then parallel, hold my mouse over the line I want to acquire, then move it to the parallel location, then type in a value or click a point. That concludes this look at the extension and parallel object snaps.